Often, traditional security devices alone are not enough to deter retail theft. With retail crime losses at an all-time high, retailers must stay one step ahead of today's savvy criminal. Introducing 8 and 10-inch public view monitors from Clinton Electronics, an active theft deterrent device that delivers immediate, measurable results. With their small form factor and rugged construction, the M8 and M10 Series PVMs are ideal theft deterrents for self-checkouts and product-level installations. Designed to mount at eye level, Clinton PVMs feature a built-in camera with a wide-angle lens that captures facial details unobtainable by traditional ceiling-mounted CCTV cameras. Video from the PVM can be sent back to the head-end unit or recorded locally via the optional built-in DVR. For increased security awareness, all Clinton PVMs feature selectable security banners and a flashing LED light. These attention-grabbing features act as a simple reminder to potential shoplifters that video surveillance is in use. Clinton PVMs can also display simple digital signage, such as store logos or video advertisements, feature heavy-gauge steel housings and acrylic protective fronts, run on low-voltage DC 24-volt power, and mount to a wide variety of brackets and mounts, making them a flexible solution for nearly any retail application. The M8 and M10 Series PVM from Clinton Electronics, an active theft deterrent device for retail loss prevention.